Hi everyone, Lulu here. Welcome back to our channel and to House Tours, the series where we explore some of the most beautiful and cozy homes around the world. In today's episode, we are going to show you number 23rd of this video series, namely small family homes with comfortable interiors. These homes are perfect for families who want to live in a compact and efficient space without sacrificing style and comfort. You will see how these homeowners have used smart design tricks such as reflective materials, pocket doors, vertical tiles, and gallery walls to make their small spaces feel larger and more inviting. You'll also get inspired by the variety of styles and colors from rustic to modern and from white to blush. Whether you are looking for ideas to renovate your own small home or you are just curious about how other people live in tiny houses, you will enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's get started with the first house tour. Let's start our presentation with this design idea for a brand new family home located on a quiet cul-de-sac and surrounded by beautiful gardens. Here in this image, you can see the living room of such a charming home, contemporary design style in white and gray hues, with several blue accent color. Large windows let plenty of natural light get inside. Gorgeous hardwood floor, wide opening to a large and beautifully furnished patio. The living room has simple but comfortable furniture pieces, well-chosen decorative accessories such as decorative pillows, potted plants, and large modern pictures on the wall above the sofa. Have a look at this small, detached family home with a modern design concept. The high ceiling open space creates a sense of spaciousness and cleanness, as well as allowing natural light to flood in from the floor to ceiling windows. Metal stairs add a touch of industrial chic and contrast with the white walls and laminate flooring. The modern kitchen is equipped with an island breakfast bar, brown cabinets, and a black countertop. The stylish living area features a white sofa, a white armchairs, and a round-top coffee table. The coffee table is simple and sleek, complementing the modern style of the room. The beautiful dining area is located next to the large opening to the garden, which connects the indoor and outdoor spaces. The dining table and chairs are made from wood, adding some natural and rustic elements to the modern interior. The dining area is adorned with a modern painting on the wall, adding some artistic flair and color to the space. The upper level, where the bedrooms are located, is accessed by metal stairs. Let's see now another small family home design. The slanted ceiling adds some character and dimension to the open space, as well as creating a cozy and intimate atmosphere. The white walls reflect the natural light and comes from the windows, making the space bright and airy. The light color laminate floor complements the white walls and creates a clean and minimalist look. The charming Scandinavian style is evident in the choice of furniture, accessories, and colors. The furniture is lightweight and functional, with simple and elegant shapes. The beige curtains soften the look of the windows and add some warmth and textures to the space. The white kitchen cabinets contrast with the black countertop, creating a modern and sleek look. The indoor plants and small modern pictures add some life and personality to the space as well as some pop-up color. The open space is divided into different zones. The zones are connected by the laminate floor and the white walls, creating a sense of continuity and harmony. The zones are also defined by the placement of furniture, rugs, and lighting, creating a sense of separation and privacy. Let's step now into a small modern open space in a neutral gray, brown and white color palette, creating a calm and sophisticated look. The colors are well balanced and harmonious, as well as easy to match with different accessories and accents. The living dining area is bright and airy thanks to the white walls and the large windows that let in plenty of natural light. The windows also offer a beautiful view of the garden, which adds some greenery and freshness to the space. The blue drapes add some contrast and color to the windows, as well as some privacy and coziness. The small one-wall kitchen is efficient and functional, featuring brown cabinets and a white countertop. The small dining area is located next to the kitchen, making it convenient and accessible. The dining area features a rectangular dining table and modern wooden chairs, which are simple and elegant. The dining area is illuminated by a pendant light, which adds some style and warmth to the space. Another small family home, another charming open space with slanted ceiling, white walls, and generally a white, blue and gray color palette, beautiful, elegant and comfortable furniture. Several decorative accessories complement the overall decor. And that's it for today's episode of House Tours. We hope you enjoyed seeing these small family homes with comfortable interiors. These homes are proof that you don't need a lot of space to live in a beautiful and cozy home. You just need some creativity, personality, and smart design choices. Which one of these homes was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. We have more amazing house tours coming up, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.